little darklings, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be using all my purple eyeshadows in one look. I counted, I've got 16 palettes here, so I'm going to be using 8 palettes on each eye. And I'm excited to do this because purple is my favorite color here. And I hope everyone's having a good day. It's Friday. Please like. It'd be great if you could share this and subscribe and leave a little comment and put on the notifications, everything. So let's get started. Boop. I got my bake on here. And I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette first. It's got a few purples in here. 1, 2, 3. And I already have an idea what I'm gonna do here. So let's go in. I'm gonna put this on the outside. I already have the base down and my transition shade on. Let's put this on the out here. And let's flip it over for the middle. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing a lot better. I've been making money, staying productive here. Been doing deliveries. I got my art event tomorrow, the open studio. I'm gonna do some painting tomorrow. This one is like super patchy. This color right here in the James Charles palette. It's not applying well, we can always like put some over it. And next I'm gonna take the glittery shade up here, put that on the highlight, the brow bone here. There is not much pigment. I don't see much here. Blend it out a bit. Okay, on to the next palette. It was kind of a dud. The pigment, like It's the James Charles mini palette here. Next, we're gonna go into the big mama here, the Bloodlust palette from Mr. Jeffree Starrr. I'm gonna go in first with Vivid Mood, put that over because it was kind of patchy. It's a little better, kind of muted it out a little bit. Next, I'm going to get the crease brush. I'm going to put Blood Queen over here into the crease. They all kind of mudify together. They're all kind of similar and it's kind of patchy. Trying to make it work. Maybe we could build it up and make something interesting out of this. Okay, blend it out a bit. Okay, the next purple shade is Deviant. I'm gonna put that on the upper part here. A lot of them are just kind of blue or pink tones. There's actually only like 4 purple shades I see in here. Take the crown on top here. We're gonna go all the way around here, kind of expand. You can kind of see it, it's kind of faint here. Next I have this little quad here from Bare Minerals. I'm gonna use this little dark sparkly shade down here. I'm gonna put it on the outer edge here and on the lower part of the eye. It's kind of building up some depth here. Okay, let's keep on trucking here. Next, I'm gonna go into Cat Von D. Going to use this purple shade down here, Exorcism, and Worship up there. Going into Exorcism first. Put this in the lower part. Kind of blend it into. And I'm gonna put Worship up here. Coming together a little better. Last time it was challenging using all of the shades, like 2 shades in all of my palettes. Next, I'm going to go in the Blood Sugar palette. There's a purple here, Root Canal. I'm going to put that over here in the middle. It's still kind of patchy, so I just try to build it up to get rid of the patchiness. That one is really pigmented. That's a nice shade. And the last palette on this eye is from Mark. It's an old palette. I'm going to be using this shade up here. It's kind of a bluish purple undertones. And I'm just putting it on I'm going to be putting it on the edge here, around the outer part and underneath here. Just blending it out. Put it in the inner corner. Okay, I think this eye is done. We're gonna go on to the next 8 palettes here. Next, I'm gonna be using the purple from this little palette, Wild and Free from BH Cosmetics. It's kind of a purple too. It's kind of a blue purple, so it counts. It's like more on the blue side, but it's mostly purple. Always get in an argument with people like, it's blue, no, it's purple. I think girls see the color purple better than guys do. I've gotten into that argument with guys before. They see blue and I see purple, like that blue brown dress. This is not very pigmented. Like, you have to really build it up here to use a lot. Really go into it to get any payoff here. There's a lot of fallout too. I'm just gonna leave it. We can build up on another color. Next, I'm gonna go to Androgyny palette. This is an old one. Gonna go into this dark plum purple over here. Androgyny. Put that on the outer corner. This is a nice, like, mauve, reddish purple. Next, I'm going to go into the chocolate gold palette using Live and Lavish, and that's more pink. It's just going to be using Live and Lavish here. I'm going to put that on the crease here. It's not really showing up. A little bit. You can kind of see a little sparkle here. Yeah, these are not paying off very well today. It's like a lot of work trying to get some pigment out of here. It's kind of a review too. So I'm gonna go in the Clover palette. There's a purple right here. I've used that a lot, as you can see. Put it in the middle here. That one you can see, that one has a lot of pigment. And next I'm gonna go into the Mini Controversy palette. It's one little purple shade here, Controversy. Just gonna build up over that other color that didn't have any pigment from BH Cosmetics. They kind of match. All the purples kind of look the same when you apply them. That's a really good purple. That's really pigmented. This is gonna turn into a purple review video. Next is my oldie, my first palette I got. I repressed it here because there was just a little bit left on the edges. It's Rockstar here. It's similar to that other one from the chocolate gold palette, like purple glittery color. Ooh, that still has pigment. Put that on the outer part here. We've got 4 more palettes here. This is one of my favorites here, the Metal Matte palette. We're gonna use this purple right here called Ribbon. I think we're gonna use it as a transition on the edge here. Try not to overlap them too much, but some of them have like 0 pigment. This one's looking good. Put it on the under corner here. Next, gonna use the Mini Breaker palette. There's a lot of purples in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna use this on the upper part. Oral. Hope YouTube doesn't say anything about that. Put it on the upper part. Brow bone here. Bite Me here. I love that shade. That's really pretty. Bite Me. Put it down here. The lower lash line. Purple Punch, I'm going to be using that on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to be using the Jawbreaker palette. I'm going to be using Gumdrop in here. We already used Bite Me. That's a dupe. I don't know why you did that. That's kind of silly. Just put another shade in. I'm going to be putting on the outer edge here. This is a nice purple. It's like a bluish purple. I like this shade. Put it down here too. I have like tons of fallout, but my bake will cover it. Fun playing with makeup. I'm in a better mood, a little bit more motivated. There's 2 purples here and we are done. There's one more shade actually I didn't see in the Metal Matte palette. There's a glitter one. We're gonna go back to that. Put it around the outer portion. Go into this one here. You can see it's gotten lots of love. And we're gonna go into this brighter purple here. So everyone's doing good. I hope everyone had a good week. Ready for the weekend. I am excited. I might go see a band tomorrow night. These purples are more defined. You can kind of see the different tones a little better. So if you have an idea for a makeup look or anything you'd like me to review, please put it in the comments below. We got one more shade we need to go back to. In the Metal Matte palette, it's this little purple highlight shade. We're gonna put that around the edge here. That big fluffy brush. It's called Twinkle. That way it kind of matches how the height, and I went around on the other eye. You can kind of see the highlight there a little bit. Put it in the inner corner too. Add some more on the outside. You can't really see it all that well. There you have it. There's my eyes all with all my purple shades. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and my lips, and I will be right back. Hey my little darklings, I'm back. I used 2 liquid lippies from the purple box set, I'm Royalty and Blow Pony. I did like an ombre, and I also put Choking on Ice, extreme skin frost on here. So this is my final face, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite color is, and if you'd like to see me do a look with your favorite color, it'd be great. That'd be a fun little challenge here with all my eyeshadows of your favorite color. So I hope you like the look here. Straighten my nose ring. So I hope everyone has an amazing weekend and staying positive, staying busy, productive in this crazy time right now. Hope everyone is just having a wonderful time and just making the most of everything and being grateful. Thank you everyone, and have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye my little darklings. Bye. Bye.